One important tips about brew coffee. We have the machine that seems ready, the temperature is okay. We already fill the funnel with fine powder, already fixed. Everything seems ready, so we brew coffee. Push the button for brew coffee. But the machine make noisy, vibration, and not coffee brew. Why? We find that forget to fill the tank with water. The tank is empty. So, first need to switch off the brew. Remove the handle. This powder don't need to use again. We threw and clean. And then we need to fill with water the tank. Fill the tank with water. Fix again the machine. Close. Take out our cup. Put the pincher or another big cup. We need to brew some water to refill again the boiler. So we push the button about brew coffee and we left the machine brew coffee. Now don't have, need to wait. Okay, maybe have some steam, some hot water. Yeah. We left brew many water, so be sure that the boiler is again full. Now, no any strange noisy. So means that the machine work well, the boiler is refill. So we can stop this water through, dry all, and then now the machine is again ready for use.